every email sent, every transaction authenticated, every file downloaded. In our hyper-connected world, almost every action leaves a digital footprint. When cybercrime strikes or data is breached, who uncovers the truth hidden within those digital traces? The answer lies in digital forensics. Digital forensics is the specialized science of identifying, preserving, analyzing, and presenting digital evidence. Just like physical forensics at a crime scene, digital investigators examine data to determine exactly what happened, how it happened, and who was responsible. To ensure evidence stands up in a court of law, investigators maintain a strict chain of custody, creating exact forensic replicas of hard drives, mobile devices, and cloud logs, transforming raw, complex data into legally admissible facts. Because data lives everywhere, modern defense requires highly specialized tools. C-DAC has engineered a completely indigenous forensic ecosystem to meet this challenge. For on-field operations, portable solutions like CyberCheckLite and TrueTraveller enable instant on-site digital seizure and analysis. MobileCheck drives deep smartphone forensics, while TrueImager provides high-speed, battery-backed disk imaging on the move. To uncover critical intelligence, Advik delivers advanced call data log analysis, while TrustAccount provides an easy plug-and-play USB hardware security solution. As AI and quantum computing expand, cyber threats scale up. The future of digital forensics relies on automation and high-performance computing to pass through massive data at lightning speed. By pioneering these indigenous deep tech capabilities, C-DAC is empowering the nation to uncover the truth, protect data sovereignty, and build a trusted digital tomorrow.